I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Let's take a look here at a stock that is currently down for the month of September. Today being September 8th, 2021. And in this quick educational video, I wanted to take a look at RSI 69.1 and how it can be a rejection area, taking prices lower. Now, this stock is a crypto-related stock, MSTR, MicroStrategy. And if we take a look at BTC on the weekly, we can see an example of how RSI 69.1 can turn into a pullback area, as we get a pullback area here in September of 2020. We also see the effects of dropping below RSI 69.1, which is here, before this big 2-week plunge. So we know that RSI 69.1 can give us a trend direction. And in this case, we see a good example where we see RSI 69.1 on the monthly. This is the 3-year monthly. And again, we can see 69.1 rejection, 69.1 rejection with uniform activity. And as a good live example, we can watch this to see whether it means that for this instrument and potentially for cryptos at large, that they are now gonna have to recoil downwards unless such instruments or crypto-related instruments can reclaim the level back above 69.1. So I would say this in summary. So it's a good live example to see what's going to happen here in the coming months, because this is a monthly chart. It seems to me, because of this double top RSI 69.1 rejection, the trend, in my opinion, based on the current chart, is the cryptos are going to be pressed downwards, and potentially significantly so, because there's a double top rejection on this instrument. And not to forget that for this particular instrument, there's also a trail, or it's left behind its current price, monthly failed breakouts. As we can see, this failed breakout here and this failed breakout here for the month of August. And again, the way to correct this is, if there's going to be higher price levels for the cryptos, this instrument would have to break out above the 750-ish area, which is the monthly closing high from January. And the RSI would have to coil back above 69.1. Otherwise, because right now we are seeing 69.1 being rejected, we can see evidence why the cryptos have been down this past week so far, or at least this week, today being a Wednesday. And so it is. We'll see how this is going to respond based on that long-term monthly RSI 69.1 uniform activity rejection. And so it is. I am Eric Muathe with Muathe.com, and I leave you in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Namaste.